Hey, property explorers. I'm out here at the Landings community by Century Communities, and I'm going to show you the Santa Rosa. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3 full baths, okay? As we walk through, pay attention to the space because homes like this are what buyers are getting right now in this price point here in Northeast Florida. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home priced around $385,000, and I'm going to break down what it actually costs to own this home monthly because that's what really matters, right? So now if you're using the VA loan, right? This is what the breakdown is going to look like. You're going to have a 0 down payment when you're using a VA loan. Your estimated monthly payment is going to be about $2,700 monthly, and that's all in, right? So guys, that includes your principal and interest, which is going to be about $2,080. Your property taxes is going to be about $490, and then your insurance and HOA is going to be about $157 approximately monthly, right? So that is what breaks down what your monthly payment is going to be. So if you're a veteran or active duty, you can get into a home just like this with no money out of pocket, almost little to no money out of pocket, all right, depending on how we structure your deal, all right? And remember, this is for a new construction home. Now, those of you that will need to use a FHA loan, this is what your structure will look like, right? You'll have a down payment of 3.5%, which equates to $13,500. Your monthly payment is going to look like $2,800 a month. That's a little higher because the interest rate sometimes with FHA is just a little bit higher and then you have your mortgage insurance in there too, right? And then you will have more cash to close. It's still a great option. It's just a slightly more expensive because you would have that mortgage insurance in there, right? Also, for the conventional loan, if you're going to use the conventional loan, guys, this is 5% down. Sometimes it could be even higher, right? But this estimate is for a 5% down. We're looking at about $19,250, right? Your estimated monthly payment is going to look like about $2,700 to about $2,900 a month, right? Now that range depends on your credit score, your PMI, and your final interest rate. Now, case by case scenario, of course, so I'll get you with a lender that would be able to look at your specific credit, and then we'll be able to get you a better estimate depending on your situation, right? So every loan option is different, and the right one depends on your goals, your credit, and how much cash you want to bring to the table. So like I'm saying, we'll get with your lender, and for your specific situation, we will tailor a deal just for you. Now, guys, if you want to see this home in person or you want me to run some numbers specifically for you, send me a quick message or click the link in my bio to schedule a quick call with me and my lender, all right? We'll jump on a call with you, run your numbers for you, and let you know what this would look like for your specific scenario. All right, guys? So for more information on this home, reach out to me, Keneshia Haye, your Jacksonville Dream Home Specialist at 254-449-5299, and I look forward to working with you.